Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start with our grammar new chapter, that is noun, and we are going to see types of noun also. This video is for 6th standard also and for 7th standard also, because the topic is same. Okay, so let us start. Kinds of noun. Now, as you know, what is the definition of noun? A noun is a naming word and it is used as the name of a person, place, animal, thing, quality, material, group, idea, feeling, etc. So that is noun, or in simple language what we can say, all the naming things are called noun. So on page number 11, let us start lesson number 3, kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. So first let us start with common noun. As this chapter noun, this is not a new chapter for you. You had studied this in standard 5th also. Okay, so let us start. What do you mean by common noun? A common noun is the name given in common to person, place, animal or things of the same class or kind is known as common noun. Now, in simple language I will say, if a teacher enters in your class and she says, all girls stand up, then who will stand up? Girls, all. If in class there are 15 girls, all the girls will stand up. Okay, so whatever there is a name given common to person, place, animal or thing of the same class or kind. For example, place, school, this is common noun. Okay, animal, simple animals, that is what? That is common noun. But if a specific name is given, then that is known as what? Proper noun. So see, let us see the example. Shylock was a moneylender. Now moneylender is what? It is a common noun and it is the name of a person. This dress is very colorful. Now dress is common noun, so that is what? Thing. There is a cow in the garden. Animal, cow. Okay, place, garden. So this moneylender, dress, cow, garden, this is what? This all are common noun. Okay, let us start with proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Particular, place, animal, name of a particular means special name is given. Okay, that is what? That is known as proper noun. For example, Shylock was a moneylender. Now Shylock, this is the name of a person. So Shylock, what is the name of the moneylender? Shylock. So it is person. Japan is a country to the east of India. Now places, Japan and India. Country is what? It is common noun. Okay, my dog's name is Rover. Animal, Rover, dog's name. Okay, dog is what? Common name. All dogs are known as dogs only. But if the special name is given for the animal, so that is what? It is proper noun. I live near Diamond Park. Now thing, I live near Diamond Park. Now Diamond Park is what? The name of the place, particular name of the place, special name of the place. So this thing, it is wrong. This is a particular place. Okay, now a proper noun always begins with capital letter. You should keep in mind that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. A proper noun could be made up of more than one word. Proper noun can be made up of more than one word. See, for example, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, the Pacific Ocean, the Qutub Minar, Mr. and Mrs. Rai. So it is not that it will make only a one word, but it can make maybe of more than one word. Okay, now collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to a group, collection of people, animals or things taken together as a whole. Now collective noun is what? Is a name given to a group, means a group. For example, people, crowd of people. Okay, then box of chalk. Okay, so one thing, animal, place, whatever, the group is known as what? Collective noun. Now let us see the example. The class was very silent after the teacher scolded him. Class, okay, means full, not one single, it was full group. Okay. The shepherd looked after his flock of sheep. Now sheep, the sheep which lives in group is known as what? Flock. The collective noun of the group of the sheep are known as flock. The marble fell near a heap of stones. Now where the stones are kept, more than one stones, together many stones are kept, that is known as what? Heap. So that is what? Collective noun. Okay. Now abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name given to a quality, state, action or feeling. Now this abstract noun is what? It is a name given to a quality, person's quality, state, what type of this, what for example, old age, young age, that is what? The state of the person. Okay. Action or feeling. Okay. And this abstract noun we can't touch. This is what? We can't touch, is a name given, we can't touch it, so that is what? An abstract noun. Okay. Neither we can touch it, neither we can feel it. Example, she is known for her kindness. The kindness is what? Quality. So kindness is with what? Which type of noun? Abstract. Youth is the time for fun. Now youth, I said, that is what? State. Okay. The room was filled with laughter. Action, laughter. Okay. The young man lived with hatred in his heart. Hatred, that is what? Feeling. Okay. So this was the example. Now come to page number 12, that is material noun. A material is the name given to a material or a substance or item of food or drink. Now material, what do you mean by material noun? Material noun is name given to a material or substance. Whatever material is there, substance is there, the name given to it is known as what? Material noun. For example, substance or item of food or drink, whatever item of food or drink. For example, the chain was made of gold. Now this gold is what? Material. Okay. There was no milk in the bottle. Milk is what? Material noun. The pillow is full of cotton. Cotton is what? Material noun. So I hope you have understood this. So in next video I will show you how to do the exercise. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.